CapCut has a program that basically gives you unlimited free pro. In order to get this unlimited free pro, you must be a template creator to get this benefit. And here I will show you how to become a template creator and how to upload your first template so you can get your unlimited free pro. Make sure to have an edit ready. You'll need an edit when you apply. Also have a screen recording of the project file for a higher chance to get accepted. Open up the CapCut app and click on the search bar. Search up Inkscape. Click on Users. Select this profile, the one with the star. Make sure to follow them for extra good luck. Take a screenshot and copy the reference code. Click on Agency. Scroll all the way down and paste the reference code. With this code, it will give you a higher chance to get accepted, since a quote-unquote big creator is referring you. Depending on your account, it may ask you for your age, but here it isn't asking me for that. You must be 18 or older to be able to apply. Also enter your email. Time to add your edit? Click on the plus sign. It may ask you to allow the app to access your camera roll, then click on Photo Library. Select the edit. Click on Done. Click on the plus sign again. Click on Photo Library. Then select the screen recording of the edits project file. Then click on Done. If you have a TikTok account with over 1K followers, you can link it for 3 free days of pro. You'll only get it if you get accepted and post your first template. If you want, you can add any other social media you may have. Then make sure to check this off. Read this and scroll down and click on Agree. Now click on Submit and wait. Once you get accepted, this is how you upload your first template. Click on Export. Make sure this option is selected and click on Post as Template. Then select the materials you want to be replaceable and whatnot. Give it a title and add a description and some hashtags. Click on Change Cover to change the thumbnail. Click on Post as Template and done. Here are some benefits you get by being a template creator. Once you reach level 6, you get 1 week of free pro every month. Once you reach level 7, you get unlimited free pro. So if you grind hard enough, you can get unlimited free pro.